Friends, it's Miss Cheyenne. Today we're going to talk about something that's loud. It goes up in the sky and it's different colors. What could that be? It's loud, it's different colors, it goes up in the sky. Did you say fireworks? You're right. Today we're going to talk about different colored fireworks. July 4th fireworks. I see pink fireworks in the sky. I see green fireworks in the sky. I see white fireworks in the sky. I see blue fireworks in the sky. I see red fireworks in the sky. I see orange fireworks in the sky. I see purple fireworks in the sky. I see yellow fireworks in the sky. That's it. That was a fun book to read. What was your favorite color firework? Mine was blue. Bye, friends.